Okay, hey guys, here is a video of this Hunter Piedmont 203. I think it's a Piedmont 3. You guys can see it's really wobbly. Yep. It's really quiet too, I can't even hear it. If it don't wobbly, I can't even hear it. Here is a Hunter logo. And yeah guys, this fan actually has a bent blade. Yeah, it's a Hunter Piedmont 3, I believe. Yeah, it's a Hunter Piedmont. Oh yeah, here it is. See, it's really wobbly. And this is the only fan in this store. There's no other fans. And it's really quiet. And it moves a lot of the great air. And I wouldn't put this fan on high because of how wobbly it is. Oh yeah, but keep it on, there's a lot of great air. So anyways guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment and subscribe. Bye.